Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best engagement balloon arch kit on the market, the White Sand Gold Balloons Garland Arch Kit by EDFHSEZ. If you're planning a wedding, bridal shower, baby shower, anniversary, or even a birthday celebration, this kit offers a stunning and elegant way to decorate your event and make your photos truly pop. This kit includes 156 high-quality latex balloons in various sizes and shades of white, sand, and metallic chrome gold, providing a beautiful boho chic aesthetic that's both trendy and timeless. The balloons come in multiple sizes ranging from 5 inches to 18 inches, allowing you to create a dynamic and visually appealing arch that's full and textured. What's great is that it also comes with 100 glue dots, a garland strip, and wall hooks, so you have all the essential accessories needed to assemble the arch right out of the box. The latex balloons are thick and durable, designed to resist popping easily and maintain their shape and color for a long time. They are perfect for inflating with air or helium depending on your display needs. The variety in balloon sizes and colors lets you mix and match to suit your event's vibe, whether it's a sophisticated wedding reception or a fun birthday party backdrop. One of the biggest advantages of this kit is how easy it is to assemble. You don't need professional help or expensive tools. Simply inflate the balloons, attach them to the garland strip using the glue dots, and hang the arch wherever you want, whether that's a doorway, wall, or outdoor setting. The included wall hooks help secure the arch without damaging your surfaces, making this an ideal decoration for any venue. The color palette of white, sand, and gold is carefully curated to create a soft, elegant look that complements a wide range of event themes. The metallic gold balloons add a subtle shine that catches the light beautifully, enhancing the overall decor without being overpowering. For those wondering about the quantity, the 156 balloons are enough to create a generously sized arch or garland that will stand out as a centerpiece or photo backdrop. This is a fantastic option for anyone looking to add a wow factor without the hassle or cost of custom balloon installations. Keep in mind, for the best results, it's recommended to assemble the balloons within 24 hours of your event to maintain their freshness and fullness. Also, avoid over-inflating as this can cause the balloons to burst, and keep them away from high temperatures that might affect their durability. All in all, the White Sand Gold Balloons Garland Arch Kit offers great value, beautiful colors, and easy setup, making it a top choice for engagement parties and other special celebrations. If you want your event to look effortlessly elegant with minimal effort, this balloon arch kit should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.